Now let us start with problems. The first type of problem we discuss is on determining whether a given equation is quadratic or not. Now here we have to check whether the degree of polynomial is 2 or not, and for each and every term the degree should be a non-negative integer. If the equation is not in a general form, we first convert them in general form and then we check their degree. The first problem is x square plus 4x plus 2 equal to 0. Now here we can see that x square plus 4x plus 2 is a quadratic polynomial. So the given equation is a quadratic equation. Second problem is x square plus 1 upon x square is equals to 5. Now here it is not in the general form. So we first make it in general form. And also we must have all the variables in numerator only. So we multiply both the sides by x square. And we get x power 4 plus 1 on left side and 5x square on the right side. Now we convert them in general form. We put all the terms on left hand side of the equal sign and we get x power 4 minus 5x square plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, x power 4 minus 5x plus 1, this is a polynomial with degree 4. So we say that this is not a quadratic polynomial. And hence x power 4 minus 5x plus 1 is equals to 0 is not a quadratic equation. Third problem is x square minus 3 root x minus root 5 is equals to 0. Now here if we see, we have one root x term, that is x has power 1 by 2 which is not an integer. So x square minus 3 root x minus root 5, this is also not a quadratic polynomial and hence the given equation is not a quadratic equation. Fourth problem is x plus 1 upon x the whole square is equals to 2 times x plus 1 upon x plus 5. So we first simplify it. So simplification, after simplification we get x square plus 2 plus 1 upon x square is equals to 2x plus 2 upon x plus 5, and when we multiply both the sides by x square we get final answer as x power 4 minus 5x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Here x power 4 minus 5x square minus 2x plus 1 is not a quadratic polynomial, as here the degree is 4, so it is not a quadratic equation. Let us see one more problem. X into x plus 1 plus 4 is equals to x plus 2 in one bracket into x minus 2 in another bracket. Here again we will first simplify it. After simplification we get x plus 4 is equals to 0. As x plus 4 is not a quadratic polynomial, we say that x plus 4 equal to 0 is not a quadratic equation. Now let us see the second type of problem. The second type is on determining whether the given values are solutions of given equation. In each of the following, determine whether the given values are solutions of the given equation or not. Now you can see here that you have given one quadratic equation. It can be quadratic equation or any other equation, and you have given two values of x. Now be one value at a time and see whether my left hand side and right hand side are same or not. In this first problem, x square plus x plus 1, right hand side is 0. Now first I try with x is equals to 0 and see what is the value of left hand side I am getting. So let us start with this first problem. Now here for solution, simply I will say that if for x is equals to 0, my left hand side is 0 plus 0 plus 1 which is 1, and right hand side is 0, so this 1 is not equal to 0, not equal to right hand side. Therefore we say that x is equals to 0 is not a solution of x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. Second value of x we have given is 1. We try with 1. The answer we get is 3, which is not equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to 1 is also not the solution of given equation. Second problem. Second problem is x plus 1 upon x is equal to 13 upon 6, and two values of x is given 5 by 6 and 4 by 3. So let us first try with 5 by 6. So left hand side is 5 by 6 plus 1 upon x will become 6 upon 5. And after solution I am getting result as 61 upon 30, which is not equal to 13 upon 6. So x is equal to 5 upon 6 is also not the solution of this given equation. Next value is 4 by 3. So let us try with 4 by 3. Now x is equal to 4 by 3. When I substitute, the result I get is 25 upon 12. Again it is not equal to 13 upon 6. So x is equal to 4 upon 3 is also not a solution. In the same line, few more problems we can solve. X square minus root 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. Here I get x is equal to minus root. Here two values are given, x is equal to minus root 2 and x is equal to minus 2 root 2. So when we put minus root 2, the result we get is 0. So therefore I will say that x is equal to minus root 2 is a solution of the given equation. For x is equal to minus 2 root 2, when we substitute, we got answer as 8, which is not equal to right hand side. So x is equal to minus 2 root 2 is not a solution of given equation. So in case of quadratic equations, if they have given me two values of x, so either one of them may be solution or neither of them may be solution, or sometimes both of them may be solutions. Now let us solve the third type of problem. The problem is on determining an unknown involved in a quadratic equation when its roots is given. In each of the following, find the value of k for which the given value is a solution of the given equation. Now here we have solution given, therefore we have to find an unknown k. Now as the solution given, that value of x will satisfy the equation. That means my left hand side will definitely be equal to right hand side. So let us see this first problem. Here the problem is k x square plus root 2x minus 4 equal to 0, and the value of x is given root 2. That means the solution is given me. Now as x is equal to root 2 is a solution, we can put x is equal to root 2 in the given equation, and the given equation will become k into root 2 square plus root 2 into root 2 minus 4 equal to 0. Further simplification will give me 2k minus 2 is equal to 0, and finally the value of k we will get as 1. So this is the solution. Now the second problem is x square plus 2ax minus k equal to 0, and the solution is given x is equal to minus a. Here again we will put the value of x as minus a. So x is equal to minus a will give me simplification as minus a square minus k is 0, and finally the k is equal to minus a square. So these are the initial three types of problems we have solved related with the quadratic equation.